Hello and welcome to Two Shop with ET. I'm Nisha Poddar and a very happy Akshay Tritiya to all of you. Now, the two most important news developments that you must know about today. Trump's auto tariff relief sparks corporate chaos and caution. And Akshay Tritiya 2025 gold at 1 lakh rupees. Buy, hold or wait, we'll tell you. Trump softens tariffs, but with a warning. On his 100th day back in office, while Trump visited Michigan, which remember is America's auto heartland, he signed an executive order to roll back some of the steepest auto related tariffs, thankfully with some relief, but there's catch. Auto manufacturers will now get rebates on some of the existing tariffs and avoid the double levies. Parts tariffs will be waived if cars are assembled in the US, but only if they have 85% domestic content. Now, Trump also told cheering supporters, we give them a little time before we slaughter them if they don't do this right. So, let's take a look at the key changes in the tariff policy. Rebates of up to 3.75% will be offered for cars made in the US, dropping to 2.5% in 2026 and phased out by 27. Automakers will only pay the higher of either steel or car tariffs, not both. No change to USMCA rules. Compliant parts from Mexico, Canada stay tariff free. So the foreign automakers must meet the 85% domestic content rule to qualify for the relief, and industry welcomes the move, but the damage is already done. General Motors, Ford, Stellantis praised the relief but said that the policy remains complex. Mercedes-Benz pulled its 2025 forecast, citing tariff-driven uncertainty. Its Q1 EBIT plunged 41% YoY, US sales up only 1%, China and EU fell sharply. Volvo Cars also withdrew its two-year outlook and will cut $1.8 billion in spending. Porsche, they said that US tariffs caused a €100 million hit in just 2 months. Another important impact is the corporate forecasts are on a free fall. General Motors delayed its earnings call and pulled the guidance altogether. Volkswagen, they cut its margin forecast, now expects just 5.5% operating profit this year. UPS will cut 20,000 jobs as trade war fallouts this logistics. Approximately 40 global firms have already pulled or slashed their 2025 outlooks. It's Akshay Tritiya today. Well, gold surged 24% in 2025, briefly touching 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams. Prices are now slightly lower, ranging from 98,400 rupees to 99,200 in Delhi NCR region. So far this year, gold is up by 18,000 rupees per 10 grams. Now, the recent dip was triggered by easing tariff concerns and Trump's softening stance on the Fed. Expert views? Well, what should investors do now? Let's take a look. HDFC Securities suggests that the dip presents a buying opportunity. Expects MCX gold futures to retest 1,630 rupees to 1,02,050 odd rupees. Motilal Oswal recommends a buy on dips approach. They see 90,000 to 91,000 rupees as accumulation zones for long-term targets near 1,06,000. Ventura Securities also maintains a bullish stance on gold, projecting a price of 1,04,000 to 1,06,000 in the next 12 months if global instability continues. On Akshay Tritiya, let's see what history shows so far in returns. Over the last 10 years, gold delivered average Akshay Tritiya to Tritiya return of 14%. Last year, May to April this year is 30% return. Prior years, 22% and 17% respectively. Ventura notes a 200% rise since Akshay Tritiya 2014. But there are technical risks and cautions from the analysts coming in. Like Augmont Research, they note a shooting star pattern on weekly charts, hinting at a possible reversal. If gold falls below $3,300 or 95,000 rupees, well, day one of downside targets near 91,500 rupees. Share.market adds that gold is not risk-free. It has shown a 29.5% maximum drawdown in the last 15 years. Annualized volatility for gold is nearly as high as the equities. So, what's the smart strategy here? Experts suggest that balanced allocation is good. Ventura Securities advises 10 to 20% allocation in gold within the diversified portfolios. They recommend staggered buying or SIPs rather than a lump sum purchase. For those seeking tax efficiency as well, the sovereign gold bonds or SGBs offer tax-free capital gains if held till maturity. Ventura also expects post-Akshaya Tritiya discounts from jewelers, suggesting April to July may offer better entry points. So finally, gold is a store of value, emotionally as well as financially, especially during uncertain times. It is a safe haven. But as experts repeatedly remind us, it is not immune to risks. So invest and enjoy abundance on this Akshaya Tritiya. And don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye.